makes this amazing machine the industry leader? Powerful engine. It's powerful engine, right? So this is equipped with the latest stage V compliant engine. The AX124 ensures maximum fuel efficiency while delivering high torque for demanding operations. Alright, so this is what we have, and I think this is the most important point we have. This is equipped with the latest stage V compliant engine, and the AX124 ensures maximum fuel efficiency while delivering high torque for demanding operations. And if we talk about hydraulic precision, the AX124 features a high-flow hydraulic system which provides unmatched